In the heart of medieval England, a kingdom teetered on the brink of religious revolution. King Henry VIII, a monarch of prodigious ambition and insatiable desire, sought to break free from the shackles of Rome. Henry, with his eyes set on annulment and a new bride, found himself entangled in a web of political intrigue and religious conflict. The Pope, Clement VII, stubbornly refused to grant him a divorce, leaving the king with no choice but to challenge the authority of the Roman Catholic Church. With the support of influential figures like Thomas Cromwell, Henry assembled a powerful team to navigate the treacherous waters of religious upheaval. The king's chief objective was to establish a new Church of England, severing ties with Rome and asserting his sovereignty. On May 25, 1534, the Act of Supremacy was passed, declaring Henry as the supreme head on earth of the Church of England. This bold move marked the beginning of the English Reformation, setting the stage for a religious and political transformation that would reshape the landscape of England for centuries to come. Yet, the road ahead was fraught with danger. Catholic dissenters, loyal to Rome, posed a significant threat to the king's new regime. Henry responded with swift and brutal force, executing those who dared to defy his authority. The English Reformation was a tumultuous period marked by religious strife, political upheaval, and the assertion of a monarch's power. King Henry VIII's bold move to establish the Church of England not only solidified his reign but also forever altered the religious landscape of England, leaving a legacy that continues to echo through history. This dramatic shift in England's religious landscape was only the beginning. The religious and political upheaval that followed the English Reformation would shape the course of England's history for centuries to come.